So I've been trying to get a little unique with my smoothies, and today I'm gonna go for a green cleansing, and with that I'm gonna have some kale, pineapple, grapefruit, apple, cucumber, some zero fat yogurt, and a little bit of honey to give it a little sweetness. In my first step, I went ahead and I cut up all of my fruit, my cucumbers, and I took the stems off of the kale. And so now I'll go ahead and I'll get everything into my mixing jar here. So it should all fit. The kale, I'll just kind of pack it in on the top. And here I go, making a mess. Squeeze that in there. Now that I got that all stuffed in there, I'm gonna come in and add just like 2 teaspoons of low fat. Actually, I think this is no fat yogurt, maybe 2.5. That'll help make it creamy. And then I'll add in just a little drizzle of honey. And some water. And just be careful you don't overfill this. I'll leave a little bit of room so that it's all mixed together. And now I'll go ahead and blend it. Now that it's all blended, the colors of the ingredients I used today made that nice, really pretty green.